Have a fun and do day.
Hi, my name's Andrew Ford. I'm the co-founder of Ford & Doonan Air Conditioning. Today we'll be explaining why it's important to regularly clean the filter of your reverse cycle ducted air conditioner and how easily this can be completed at home by you. The filter on your air conditioner helps clean and filter all the air that passes through the system. Whenever your air conditioner is switched on, your filter is working. Ford & Doonan recommend cleaning the filter once every 6 to 12 months in residential applications, depending on the usage. If you have pets, allergies or children, this could be as frequent as every 3 months. Before we begin, it's important to take a moment to explain the two different types of filters commonly used in residential ducted air conditioning. Firstly, there's this pleated filter design, also called a clean air filter pack. This filter is made of cardboard material, and the rigid filter design allows for a superior filtration compared to the other mesh type filters. These filters are disposable and are designed to be replaced every 6 to 12 months. They cannot be washed and are available to purchase from any Ford & Doonan store. Call ahead to secure yours. The other type of filter is the washable mesh type filter. This type of filter is washable and designed to be cleaned and reused until small tears appear or it becomes very thin. Replacements are also available from Ford & Doonan. It's important to never perform work on your air conditioner whilst the system is running. Locate the wall controller and be sure to switch the system off. Wait until you can hear no sound coming from the indoor unit. Now that the air conditioner is switched off, it's time to locate the return air grill. This is commonly in the hallway or passageway. The return air grill houses the filter inside. Erect a step ladder beneath and safely reach the return air grill. Carefully lower the return air grill and slide the filter out. At this point, you'll be able to see whether you have a washable type or a disposable type. Be sure to take a mental note or a photo even of the current orientation of the filter. This is important upon reinstallation. If you have a washable filter, take the filter outside and begin to hose it down. Give it a shake and leave it to dry before reinstalling. Be careful not to damage the mesh. You can also use a vacuum cleaner with a brush head attachment to clean the filter, although we recommend the hose. If you have a pleated filter, install the new Ford & Doonan filter by sliding the filter into the grill. Be sure to reinstall the pleated filter the correct orientation. You'll find a little arrow on the side. Installing the filter incorrectly will significantly reduce the performance and effectiveness of the air conditioner and the filter and may cause further damages. If you aren't sure, call Ford & Doonan. Now the washable filter is dry, carefully reinstall the filter. Now the filter has been cleaned and reinstalled, clear the filter reset icon on your wall controller. Switch the air conditioner back on and enjoy the cool, clean air that a new filter brings. Make note in your calendar for 6 or 12 months' time to repeat the process. If your air conditioner begins to make strange noises or doesn't perform as it should, turn the system off and call Ford & Doonan Service Department. Thanks for watching.
Have a fun and do day.